With Skyworth, you can see everything. This is Hong Kong of China, a free trade port with a long history in the East Hemisphere, backed with the largest manufacturing base in the world, the Pearl River Delta. This is the place where countless number of the latest technology and ideas from around the world gather. Enormous quantities of products that are closely related to the everyday lives of people leave from there, through a gigantic and mature industrial chain, to every corner of the earth. In 1988, Skyworth was born here. In 2000, Skyworth was listed in the main board in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, HK00751. In 2011, Skyworth has a brand value of 28.169 billion yuan. Through 24 years of development, Skyworth is now one of the top 10 color TV brands of the world. Skyworth, what can we bring you? We are dedicated to building the depths of vertical industrial chain of digital consumer electronic goods. We have always taken the summit point in technology, lead and align the industry's development directions, to provide comprehensive digital living solutions for consumers, to have the Skyworth video and audio products enter millions of households, and to give you, whichever country you are in, and of whichever ethnic group, the wonderful joys of digital video and audio life. Skyworth's vision is to become a world-famous consumer electronics group. Overseas businesses of Skyworth are mainly divided into two parts: OEM, ODM, and brand services. The OEM, ODM business has cooperated with many of the internationally renowned consumer electronics brands for over a decade, giving the company abundant international manufacturing experiences. Currently, Skyworth has established its own brand branches around the globe and is rapidly developing with continuous growth of its brand products. Skyworth founds itself on the cornerstone of quality and promotes the idea of thorough product orientation. The products have received multiple international accreditations. The company adheres to the development principle of technological innovation. For many times, has led and promoted the industrial transformation and upgrading in the core business of color TV, and continues to write the history of color TV with the third-generation display technology OLED developed by itself, all of which lays foundation for the leadership brand status of Skyworth in the industry. With the development principle of win-win cooperation, we have engaged in more flexible resource consolidation through the end-to-end industrial ecosystem with upstream and downstream enterprise, so that we can adjust to the market needs at all times with liberty of command and accurate information of the technological development trend to select products with greater cost-value advantages, to research into and develop to meet the consumer needs in different countries and regions and of different groups of people. In every cooperation, we adjust our business models according to the characteristics of the industry and the country and region and their cultural backgrounds, to fully explore and take advantage of the marketing channels that are most appropriate locally, to bring greater values for our partners, to provide broader development prospects for our employees, and to build products more targeted at the needs of consumers. Win-win is the core value of Skyworth and the foundation of our survival and development. Skyworth is from a country of 1.3 billion population. In this ancient yet dynamic country, each household has an average of 1.2 TV sets. Currently, Skyworth's market share is over 20%, which means that every day there are hundreds of millions of consumers gaining knowledge, learning about the world, and finding their joys and dreams with our products. With Skyworth's advancement into the world, it shares all these wonderful things with all people and is becoming a part of their lives, changing and influencing the world they see, regardless of their races, faiths, or nationalities. Skyworth holds the hope that through our efforts, the Earth will become smaller and smaller, with people getting closer than ever, with greater trust and harmony. Skyworth comes closer to you. The world is ours, and Skyworth is yours.